What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time joining me. My name is Jessica. My mother was a makeup lover, of course. I am so excited to be sitting down and filming for you guys. It's just, my kids were on summer break, and I have 4 kids, and when I tell you my house was in a constant state of disarray. So now that my kids are back in school, I'm so excited to have the time to sit down and create some content for you guys. And the first little thing I'm going to be dipping my toes in, of course, is the brand new Nomad Cosmetics, the Witchy City Salem collection, which it does come with the palette and 3 lipsticks, which I'm very excited for. Let me read the little card for you guys. So, the destination, spooky season in Salem, MA. There's no better place to celebrate the spooky season than the iconic Salem, Massachusetts. From ghostly tours winding through cobblestone streets to epic haunted happenings and a history full of chilling tales, Witch City is the ultimate playground for all things festive, fun, and spooky. So grab your book of spells, girl. Whisper some hocus pocus and join us for a classic Halloween celebration. I don't know why I got so tongue twisted, because it's not even like those things weren't even close to being tongue twistery, The cause. We are proud to support Panthera to help save the wild black cats of the world. Oh, that's cute. I like that. I kind of went into this situation blind. I really didn't have too much of a general idea of what I wanted to do as far as like the eyeshadow goes. I just really wanted to play with more of the oranges and like the burgundies. So that is exactly what I did. She's giving very fall vibes. And then I felt like with this look, I really could have went in with any of the lipsticks. And I'm not mad at the choice. Like, look at those lips. Yeah, she's the vibe. Because this is its own collection, I am just going to be focusing on the eyes and the lips in today's video. The base I feel like is pretty much the same in general, just kind of like whatever products that I'm using is what really differs. So I didn't think you guys would mind just kind of focusing on the eyes for like this video. So yeah, these are the vibes I'm going to be doing for you guys today. Definitely don't forget to stay tuned until the very end of the video where I'll do an up close of my eyeshadow look for you guys. That way you can see the true beauty of the blend. And if you're curious about how I achieved this look, the shades that I used to do it, definitely keep on watching. I am so excited to be sitting down right now playing with new makeup. Like, I'm so excited for this video. Let's just take a moment to appreciate the colors. I'm loving vibes. You got the purples, the like burgundies, and then you have some greens, you got some grays. It's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. I definitely think I want to do something a little bit more on the realm of like the burgundies and the oranges, because I feel like that's more like fall vibes. I definitely do want to do more like videos with this palette, but I'm thinking I'm going to start there. I have like a general idea of what I think I'm going to do on my eyes, but I'm not 100% sure on like how it's going to come out. So let's hope for the best. I want to kind of do like a halo eye. That's kind of what I'm thinking. And then I'm going to start with the shade Hocus Pocus, which is like a purple. More like a red purple rather than like a blue purple. I'm taking this on a Blend Bunny Before brush. I'm going to put this in my inner and outer corner. Is there black in here? There is. I might go in with some black too. I'm not going to take this too far up because I do need some space to blend, but I do kind of want to do like smoke it out. I'm going to take this Morphe brush that the name rubbed off, this little tiny little guy here. And I'm going to take the shade Devil's Book. No, ma'am. My daughter is so handsy, first of all. I have to put her in little baby lockdown so she doesn't touch my stuff. You know those little baby playpens? Yep. Locked her down. I'm going to just use little circle motions to blend this out. I am absolutely loving those colors already, and I definitely want to take this orange shade here. We're definitely going like fall vibes. Just with this little Wet n Wild brush to go ahead and blend the rest of those edges out. Liliana. She does not appreciate being locked down, locked up, you know what I mean? The baby swing is a no-go in this house. Which my two older boys loved the swing. I put her in the swing, immediate tears. First of all, look at those colors. Look at that blend. I haven't even perfected it yet, and I already know this is gonna eat. I've been watching just some like new creators on YouTube. A lot of my like OG peeps that I was like watching on YouTube, they don't really like post anymore, and I'm just so sad because I love seeing these like fun creative looks. Like, you guys know that's my vibe, and I feel like everybody's like tapering off of YouTube, and it just breaks my heart. You know what I think I need? I think I need just a little foundation powder. I got the MCOBeauty Miracle Flawless pressed powder, which is supposed to be a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury one. I don't know about that, but that's what I hear. And so I bought it. I found it and I bought it off of Amazon. Don't ask me why. I can't ever open it, but I'm going to take some of this on that same Wet n Wild brush. And I'm going to just kind of use that to set like the edges, the brow bone, before I go back in and blend everything. I'm going to take a little bit of the black. This is a little Real Techniques brush. And I'm just going to kind of run this across the lash line and smudge it as I go. And I'm going to add a little bit into the blend we got going here. I was kind of debating. There's a couple of different shimmers I think would look really good with this look. I was kind of eyeballing like the silver and this kind of like purpley one. I'm thinking maybe the purple and this kind of like orange. Yeah, I think maybe should we just go with all three of these ones in this order? So we have Howling Halloween, Harvest Moon, and Witching Hour. You know what I want to do too? I want to get some glitter glue. I just want to add some sparkle, some razzle dazzle. Okay. I'm just going to take a little bit of my unearthly glitter glue, starting with shade Howling Halloween. I'm going to put that in the inner and outer corners. You know what? I don't think I need a brush. I think I could probably get in there with my finger. I think I left myself enough space to get in there. And then Harvest Moon. And then Witching Hour. I got these Amazon lashes. They look so pretty. Let me open them up, see if they're gonna suit the look. Oh, maybe not. I'm gonna wear these ones. I'm gonna take a little bit of this Smoky Coal Liner by e.l.f. I'm gonna put this in my waterline. Perfect. Not too dark, but definitely darker. I'm gonna take this little Blend Bunny B2 brush and just go ahead and smudge those same shades that I used on top right under my eye. You'll love these colors together. So that way it's like not too, like that charcoal is like really good because it's not too dark, but it's definitely like it still looks like sexy, you know what I mean? I kind of want to take this shade on the inner corner, shade Old Bearing Point. Yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna do the lips, so I really think I'm gonna go in with the gold. These lipsticks are really fun because they have like that swirl design on them. I don't know if you could see that. So pretty. I was thinking of going in with this purple one, which I still might, but I definitely want to just use this gold. Like, look at how freaking pretty that is. Ugh. And I swatched them on my hand, and they kind of like a balmy formula. So I'm thinking to take this Mia Mitchell Cupid case, like the nude one. I was just thinking of just going with this dark shade right here at the top. Jump the Gun. This lip liner was the perfect choice because it kind of has like that purpley undertone, but still really dark. I'm just going to kind of blend this out a little. Moment of Truth. This one is, there's not a name for it, I don't think. Okay, Moment of Truth. Why is that gorgeous? Why does that look so good? Oh my god. Okay, so let me break this down into parts since there is the lipsticks and the eyeshadow palette. So first things first, I'm actually going to start off with the lipsticks, or let me see. Spellbinding lipstick. Okay, yeah, so these are lipsticks. So I use the one, this is the gold one. This is Witching Hour. It's kind of like a very creamy, balmy formula, which when I hear lipstick, that's not really what I think, but genuinely, like, that gold with this dark lip liner, I'm obsessed. I thought out of all of them, the gold one was going to be like my least favorite, but she is a moment. I really dig that. I didn't think I was going to like it. I thought I was going to like switch it to one of the other ones, but yeah, I'm definitely going to have to dip into the other colors like when I do more looks with this eyeshadow palette. Because we do have the pink one and we have a purple one that also are like the same formula. So yeah, I'm very excited for these lipsticks. I think they did a really good job. I would love to see this formula. I don't know if it maybe is just like a limited edition formula, but I would definitely love to see more of these lipsticks. It's definitely a vibe. Now I know everybody is the most excited for the eyeshadow palette. I do dig a nice eyeshadow palette moment. I like how they did last year. I think it was last year that they did like the Ghost Town one where they also had like the shifty vibe. I think that's so cool. Even like my husband, I always tell him like, oh, like, do you know like Nomad Cosmetics. He's like the one with like the really cool packaging. I'm like, yeah, because when I showed him specifically to like the Ghost Town one, he was like, that is so cool. And they always do have like super cool packaging. As far as the inside of the eyeshadow palette goes, I definitely think it is giving like the Halloween vibes with the green, the purples, the burgundies, some oranges, some grays. Like I think they did a really, really good job capturing like the vibes, you know what I mean? I personally just love a good green and purple moment, so I love that they did those together, but I also really like how it's kind of like you have like those fall vibes as well, which is kind of what I was going for today, and I'm so pleased with the way that this look came out. I'm thinking the next time that I might end up doing something with the purple and the greens together, but I'm not quite sure because there is also some kind of like purpley toned grays in here. So I think this could be like a lot of fun. This palette is really definitely, it's gonna be fun. I'm excited to dip into this again. We all know that I already love Nomad's formula, so that's not really surprising. I feel like the shimmers are, so they do a lot of like duochrome, multichrome shimmers in like the previous palettes, and I feel like these ones are a little bit more glittery, which is not like a bad thing. Like I think they are so pretty, but I feel like it's a little bit different than their other palettes. They are still shiny, they're still gorgeous. I just feel like they have more of that like glitter factor. So if you're somebody who wants kind of like more like a wash of color, these are gonna be perfect for that vibe. But yeah, this is the look that I created with the new Nomad, what is this one? The Witchy City Salem collection. What do you guys think? Let me know your vibes down below. Are you planning on purchasing? Let me know. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you like my content. Without further ado, we're going to go right on ahead. Roll the clip.